Hi guys, welcome back to the Chef with Two Wheels. Today I will be showing you how I make peach mango pie. We'll be needing all-purpose flour or plain flour, white sugar, salt, unsalted butter, and some cold water. So we'll start with grating our cold unsalted butter. This one is 125 grams. So I like to keep everything cold, get a flaky pastry. So this one's pretty similar to the empanada dough I make. To this, I will add 2 cups of flour. I'm just using plain flour or all-purpose flour. So just use 2 cups, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, white sugar. So first we'll just have to cut in our butter with the flour. So we'll just mix it in until we get like texture of sand, grainy sand. Just rub them in. Or you can do this also with a food processor, so you get the texture you want. That's what we want. To this we'll add 1 egg. $130 grams of water. That's cold water. So I get some dusting flour on the board. Still need this for a bit. Then we'll just chill this inside the fridge for about 20 minutes. And this will be our dough for the peach mango pie. Yeah. So with the filling, I'm going to use the canned peach slices and mango slices. So I just have to drain them first. This one's 410 grams. Can drain, so dice them. Then they can go straight into a pan. So if you get fresh peaches, fresh mangoes, why not use them? Mangoes, same, drain them. So this one's 425 grams. Can, so just slice them, cut them, so just dice them. Keep this aside for a bit. So we'll just cook this. We'll start with about 1 tablespoon of white sugar. So this sugar depends on how sweet your fruits are. Here is slurry. So I'm using rice flour for my slurry. You can use cornstarch or whatever you've got. So that's about a tablespoon of rice flour. I'll just add another tablespoon of water. My slurry, okay? My slurry. You can see. That's pretty nice. Just have to taste. Right. Add another tablespoon of sugar. Add some of that juice, about 2 tablespoons of the juice. We'll add our slurry. And we'll just turn this thing off. We'll let it cool down. So when it's cooled down, we'll portion up the dough. We'll roll out the dough and start filling them. So let's portion our dough into 50 grams each. We'll dust our bench for a bit and we'll just roll them out. So it depends on which shape you want it to be. Some like it like square, some like it rectangle. Personally, I like it like an empanada, you know, like a half moon. Fill it up. Fold it over. Just use a fork just to seal the edges. Make it easy. And then just put them back into your baking paper. Make another one. Add some flour. Don't be too greedy with your filling, otherwise you'll be having a hard time folding it over and sealing them. Just put enough. Just fold it over, seal them again, or a pan, baking pan. Dusting flour. Fold it over, seal it with a fork. Here you go. This has been in the fridge for about 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes. Or you can just keep them in the fridge until you need them, so it's easier to manage. Now I'll just need to egg wash them. So it's egg wash. And then we'll start frying them, or you can bake them in the oven. Bake them in the oven for about 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes, or until it's golden brown. But now we'll just deep fry them. Anyways, can't find my pastry brush, so I'll just egg wash them first. So I'll just cook them 3 at a time, or in small batches, in medium to low heat, and then I'll keep the rest inside the fridge again while we wait for the rest to cook. Alright, so we're ready to fry. So in medium heat for about 4 minutes. About 4 minutes. Nice. So this recipe, you can also bake them in the oven for about 20 minutes at around 180 degrees Celsius, or until it's golden brown. Make sure to egg wash them first. So only at medium to low heat. So 4 minutes. Looks good already. Yeah. That's our peach mango pie. So strain. So there we have it, our peach mango pie. So try one. So with this one, I like to serve it with, sprinkle it with powdered sugar. So I'll show you the inside. Here you go. The inside. Sprinkle it with some powdered sugar. So it's my version of peach mango pie. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Paalam. Nice, very nice.